Trump is adding a new area of focus. In Iran, he is sanctioning a key port project. It is located in the southern city of Chabahar. Trump have imposed crippling sanctions on Iran, but in 2018 he issued a waiver for Chabahar, not anymore. Trump have lifted the sanctions later on Chabahar. If you continue the project, you face US sanctions. New Delhi says it is stemming the US decision. The extent of Afghanistan now, today, there are no US troops or assets in Afghanistan. Thus, Trump is now openly demanding a crucial base in the country. He wants the Bagram base just north of Kabul. And the broader question, why is Trump so interested in India's neighborhood? He is targeting Indian interests in Iran. He's seeking a military presence in Afghanistan. He is resetting ties with Pakistan. The question, obviously, there was a China, and the Trump himself admitted that yesterday. He said he wants Bagram to keep tabs on a Chinese testing site. The prophecy is hurting his ties with India. Until now, India was a cornerstone of America's China policy. The elite pitched India the counterweight to China. India refused to become a pawn for US leaders. Is that why Trump is looking at Pakistan, Afghanistan, and Iran to weaken China's grip on Asia? The fact is, he can't be sure. But here's what we can say. Trump's interest in South Asia is bad news, especially right now. This whole region is going through a churn. The last thing we need is American intervention.